Maggie. I can't. I don't know how to do it. I can't read actual things in Asian. These are my new chopsticks. Grandmother tells me, I hold my chopsticks the wrong way. Do it like a me. She grunts. That sounds Italian. Click, clack, clickety. Her two wooden sticks with ends burnt black and old like her. Now I sound like an Indian. She scrabbles for food from the center of the table, shoveling rice from bowl to mouth. Aya, Maggie! Mother scolds. Watching with her eagle eye how I hold my chopsticks. I'm not a sweater ha. Quickly, sharply, she snatches up a shrimp. Make them flip. Flap back and forth. And pop them in her mouth like candy. That's not how you're supposed to hold chopstick. But laughs loudly. Her breath smelling a cha sui bao in jasmine tea. He grips Tuong his jaw, bolder than a waterfalls. He plucked the last high gao from the table, leaving me hungry for more. My chopstick aqua and gangly, like the boy in sister high school, who always rush when she wets by, dashing off to Bowie class. Be grateful like this, she instructs, quatting her chopsticks back and forth, with legs dancing. What should I do? Asked my cat, purring perfectly in my lap. Mew yawns, licks his paws, and goes back to sleep.
Funny.
The kitchen guard, who's supposed to hang on the wall, just sat back at me in silence. Ancient ancestor with the otter, bunny insect sticks, oranges, Chinese pears, and cups of wine. What can you tell me about my chopsticks? I ask. But even they have nothing to say, so I keep trying. I hold my chopsticks behind my back, like I'm a chicken, getting ready to wow an audience. But how did I try? I just can't do this magic trick. I pocket it under the table so no one can see. Two twirling buttons, spinning a secret, and ow, pinching my finger. I suck the chopstick above the fish tank, skimming the water, the fish free. From the wooden finger, reaching to the sky of blue. I try the chopstick in my left hand. I hold them closer to the top. Then I hold them near the bottom, but people still tell me it just isn't right. And no, not like that. But Father say, Maggie, you shouldn't worry. What other people think? Everyone is different. Everyone is unique. I handle my chopstick lightly, like a butterfly emerging from along with the whip. I am a job, but ready to fly. You hold your chopstick perfectly, Father whisper. I smile, fingers fluttering like wings. The end. Okay, all done.